Friends, I am your TNC Charlie and now I am making this video for why I am create this page and what is the purpose of seeing my videos and follow me ID. Now I am tell to you, this is our switch yard, this is our lightning arrestor, this is our head switch, this is our current transformer CT, this is our isolator, this is our CVT capacity voltage transformer, this is our 220 kV SF6 circuit breaker, R phase, Y phase, E phase, our WTI and OTI, this is our breather for transformer. This is our UPS panel. This is our ACDB CT. This is our 33 kV single core cable. This is our relay and master trip, and this is our 33 kV switchgear panel, and this is the VCB vacuum circuit breaker energy meter. This is our auxiliary transformer 33 kV bar 430 volt for the internal substation AC control. This is our 33 kV cables 3 core single cable. This is our DCDB system. This is our ACDB panel. This is our 220 kV transformer. This is our switchgear panel. This is our control room. This is our SCADA room panels. And what kind of testing we do that, all the equipment and what kind of the testing equipments used, such like the Variac timer and CRM and HiPAT and polarity and etc. And the kit how to work, all of the things I tell to you. And one of the important thing, I know only Tamil, it's excellent, and English only 70% I only understand, and after Hindi I am not know, and Telugu I am not know. Then upload Tamil and English videos, and now I am learning Hindi, then their videos maybe may create, I am create Hindi videos because my mother tongue is Tamil. Then I am speak Tamil fluently. சில பல முக்கியமான கருத்துக்கள் அது எல்லாத்தையும் தமிழில் தான் சொல்ல முடியும். ஏன்னா நுணுக்கமாக சொல்லக்கூடியது வந்து நம்ம தமிழில் தான் தெரியும். ஏன்னா மதர் டங் தமிழ். தென் ஐ ஒன்லி fluently talk Tamil. Then the important critical situation, critical and inch by inch I tell the Tamil, and only the outer views only the I will speak English. If you want to know all of things I tell, then you must be follow my ID and see my videos. Thank you. See you next video. Thank you.